All right, let's see what's trending after hours, Seana. I hope, for Sazi's sake and for the economy's sake, the party is back.
I hope so, and I hope some of the parties are still underway. I've been tracking his Instagram, though. It looks like he's having a few beverages, so he's finding those parties out there, definitely. All right, let's take a look at some of these movers after hours. We have 4 stocks to worry here. We have Alcoa, Discover Financial, Vroom, and Apple. Kicking it off with Alcoa, we're looking at losses of just over 3.5%. Earnings from the company saying that demand is falling. They're cutting back on their shipments of aluminum here. Fourth quarter EBITDA missing the estimates by a wide margin, coming in just around $29 million. The street was looking for $106 million over the past 3 months. So still looking at pretty significant gains with the stock up just about 34%. Let's take a look at Discover Financial. We're looking at losses of just over 6% here after hours. A company setting aside more than expected in terms of for future credit losses. $833 million was set aside in its latest quarter. The estimate was for just around $360 million, so more than double than what the street had been anticipating. Also, management total net charge-off rate rose to 2.1%. The estimate there was for 1.37%. Also, 30-plus day delinquency rate for credit card loans, that's at 2.5%, and that was up from the prior quarter there. So some weakening trends, some concerning trends in terms of what they are seeing from their customers. That's a big reason why the stock off just about 6% today. For the fourth quarter, though, looking at the top and bottom line numbers, they came in better than expected. EPS of $3.77 a share over the last 3 months. We're looking at gains of just about 6%, which has been wiped out in extended trading. Over the past year, though, we're looking at losses of about 17%. Let's take a look at Vroom. That stock up just about 1% here in extended trading. The move higher on some cost-cutting measures here from the company. They're cutting their headcount once again. This time, the layoffs affect about 20% of the company. But when you combine it to the layoffs that have already been announced at Vroom, they've eliminated about 50% of their workforce going back to just about a year ago. Wells Fargo cutting their price target on the stock earlier this month to just about $1, about 4 cents from where it ended the trading day today. Again, the volume, the current economic environment certainly has been tough for Vroom. Over the past year, we're looking at losses of about 87%. Taking a look at a max chart, this company went public during the pandemic in the middle of 2020. We're looking at losses of nearly 98%. And rounding it out with Apple, taking a look at that chart here, off just in extended trading at just about 0.1%, but a report from Bloomberg, that's what we want to bring your attention to. The report saying that Apple plans to expand their smart home lineup, so really going head-to-head with head-to-head with Google and with Amazon, who really has a stronghold in that category right now. They are working on an iPad-based device that will offer smart home controls. Also reports here that the new Apple TV set-top box will be coming next year, which will include a faster processor. So again, that stock moving to the downside here after hours, off just about 0.1%.